Lezi izindaba zeThembisa Online. Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo. UPhenyibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona sekugqekezwe isitolo sabo kufika la ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika. Isitolo ke lesi sendawo yodumo lweTonko. Okuyisitolo ke sibizwa ukuthi ke i-cash and carry ngaphakathi la kuphinde futhi kube i-wholesaler. Kubeka kuba ke kugasele abasolwa thizeni abebehamba ke ngezimoto ke ezihlukahlukene okufaka phakathi kama-quantum bangena ngaphakathi baseke bentshontsha ke impahla ngemuva kokuba begqekezile. Sikhulumisana nomnikazi wesitolo ngokufika la ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika odabuka ezweni lase-Ethiopia ogama lakhe ke uAbdulaziz Gunte uyasichazela kabanzi ngalolu daba. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
I'm good, and if you can kindly greet the people at home, your name and surname?
My name is Abdulaziz Gunte. I am from Ethiopia. I'm the owner of Gunte Discount Cash and Carry EMfihlweni.
It's situated here in Tonko.
Yes, I'm working at Tonko. I'm the owner of Tonko Cash and Carry.
What happened? Take us through.
Last night around past 2, the guys, they called me from home and they explained me the situation, who are they working here. They said there's a lot of people inside here, around here. They are looting the shops. There's a lot of quantums, private cars. They are loading a stock. There's a lot of people here. They called me that. So immediately I hear that, I try to call the police, and then community leaders, I try to call them. So when I reach here, the shop is the way you say it. It's empty. They was looting a shop. When I came here, I found a lot of police outside. I tried to ask them what was happening outside, inside the shop. They said no, they took the shop, they loot the shop. That's what they explained to me.
So in terms of the stock, what items can you recall that you believe that they were taken? Is it food or maybe appliances? Tell me about your shop.
In our shop, what we are doing is we are selling grocery stuff. It's a mixed stuff. It's a food, and yeah, it's just a food. It's a mixed stock. It's a good. It's a retail and wholesale our stock. So there's a mixed stock. That's what we are selling inside our shop.
So you want to tell me that what was taken is like your milli meal and your normal grocery?
Yeah, for example, they took like a milli soap, like a washing powder, cook beans, whatever. You know, like it's wholesale there. There are many things are there. So I cannot call all of them. There are many mixed stock.
Okay. You have cameras here.
Yes, there is a cameras. There is a computer. You see, as you see it, they go inside and then they took everything. They took camera boxes. They took computers, CCTV camera box, everything. They took it. There's nothing inside the shop.
So when you hear, because I believe that there was security, you also have security here. How long did the looting take? Because I see you have mentioned that there were a lot of cars. How long did the looting take?
I don't know. I don't know about it. Maybe it's 1 hour, 2 hours. I don't know about it. When I came here, yeah, it's only police I found it here. Yeah, that's what happened.
Okay. So what is the message to the community? How would you like the community to react into this situation?
My message to community is we are not that kind of people. In our shop, whoever who is working is not illegal, is legal. And then we are supporting the community. We are working with the community. We don't have any problem with them. So we are not supporting this Abahambe or must go home back, you know, those things. We are supporting community. We are working. I've been here since 2015, this place. And this is second time. The time President arrested, there was loot everything from this shop. The community is the witness. They know everything. So this is the second time what's happening here. So I'm telling this. I wish to tell the community, let's work together. They must not do this. Let's stop this criminality.
You are telling me about the phrase abahambe. It looks like it's a new phrase that now has become popular. What is your observation and what is your response to that, to say abahambe?
Abahambe, I'm not supporting Abahambe, like we are not doing criminality in this country. We are supporting the community, we are supporting the people. We are trying all our best. Even us, if the criminality, when we see it, we are not supporting it, whatever what we can, we are supporting a community. We are working together. So, and then in our shops, we are not hiring illegal immigrant or undocumented ones. We have more than 15 workers in our shop. So all are legal. We are working. So let's work together. This is Africa. Let's work together. That's what I will say. That's my message.
Okay. So, did you open a case with police? Did you,
Yes.
they manage? Okay.
Yes, I did open the case. I did open the case.
As this incident happened during wee hours, which it was like Tatagusa in Sizulu, yesterday, what was the situation? Were you operating normally or your shop was closed? Tell me about yesterday from the morning up until the looting took place.
Our shop yesterday is closed. Normal, it's closed. We all, like around here, every shop was closed, and our shop was closed. So they break in. Also, I need to add something, which is last night, after the time this incident happened, a community, they chased the guys. He managed to shoot one of the guys on leg. So I need to ask them to assist me. Who is that person? So we need to know.
Kanti ke umnumzane ke uGunte uyanxusa kumalungu omphakathi ekuthenini kubanjiswane kanti ke uma ngabe kunomuntu ongase abe nelwazi mayelana ke nalesi sigameko akwazi ukubikela ke amaphoyisa. Ezindabeni zeThembisa Online ngingumfanelo UPhenyibheshu wakwaDzanibe. Umbiko ke siqopha ngaphakathi esitolo sodumo ke lweTonko lapha endaweni ke yaseMfihlweni. Kanti ke izithombe nemsindo siqoshelwe uAsisipho Figlan ebambisene noSihle Ngwini ekhona uBanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo.